Hickory Hardware, well known for our decorative hardware designs and a company that's been around for more than 120 years, has been setting the trends since 1893. As a division of Belwith Products, we're an industry-leading brand in decorative and functional products. Style, quality, and details are important to us at Hickory. We have in-house designers, master craftsmen, and engineers integrating both design and technology to craft complete home solutions. Top reviews from the United States. This is my matte black go-to handle. This is a great option for hardware when you are looking for the color matte black. It is super affordable, and my only complaint is that it doesn't come with two different sets of screw lengths.